Mastering Public Speaking for Success. Welcome to Fluent and Inspired. Today, we're exploring one of the most valuable skills for personal and professional success, public speaking. Whether you're delivering a speech at an event, pitching an idea to your boss, or simply sharing your thoughts in a group, mastering this skill can dramatically boost your confidence and influence. Public speaking may seem intimidating at first, but it's a skill that anyone can develop with practice and the right mindset. Let's break it down into actionable steps to help you shine on stage and make a lasting impression. Understanding the fear of public speaking. Did you know that fear of public speaking, also known as glossophobia, is more common than the fear of heights or spiders? This fear stems from the worry of being judged or making mistakes. But here's the good news. Even the best speakers once felt nervous. The key is not to eliminate fear entirely, but to learn how to manage it effectively. Great public speakers always start by understanding their audience. Who are you speaking to? What are their interests and needs? Tailoring your message to resonate with your audience creates a stronger connection. Use language and examples they can relate to, and make them feel like you're speaking directly to them. Every impactful speech has a clear structure. Begin with a compelling introduction that grabs attention. This could be a provocative question, an inspiring quote, or a short, relatable story. Follow this with a logically organized body where you present your key points. Finally, wrap it up with a memorable conclusion, leaving your audience with a call to action or something to ponder. Even the most natural speakers prepare rigorously. Practice your speech multiple times, out loud, in front of a mirror, or with friends. Record yourself to observe your tone, pace, and body language. This repetition not only builds confidence, but also helps you refine your delivery. Confidence comes from preparation, but also how you carry yourself. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and project your voice. Avoid filler words like or which can distract from your message. Pausing briefly instead of rushing your words can make you appear composed and authoritative. Incorporate visual aids like slides or props to support your message and keep your audience engaged. Stories are another powerful tool. People are more likely to remember your message when it's tied to a meaningful narrative. Canvas sessions can be challenging, but they're a great way to connect with your audience. Listen carefully to the questions, take a moment to think, and respond calmly and confidently. If you don't know the answer, it's okay to admit it and promise to follow up later. Honesty builds trust. It is invaluable for growth. After your presentation, ask for constructive criticism from peers or mentors. Celebrate what you did well and focus on improving weaker areas. Each speech is a step forward in your journey to becoming an excellent public speaker. The takeaway: remember, public speaking is not about being perfect. It's about being authentic, relatable, and confident. It's about sharing your ideas in a way that inspires and connects with others. So, start small and keep practicing. With time, you'll not only conquer your fears, but also unlock incredible opportunities in your life. Thank you for joining us today on Fluent and Inspired. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Stay tuned for our next episode, The Art of Time Management, where we'll explore how to maximize productivity and balance your life. Until then, keep learning and growing.